This is me, Joanne, and I really like to paint characters. Not just any character, but huge characters. So today, I'm going to paint a life-size character for the first time. But there's a problem. I can't find a canvas big enough for my masterpiece. Can't find one? Let's create one. Time to start planning this masterpiece. First, I wrote down all the materials I need, because forgetting halfway through would be a disaster. Trust me, it happened before. Step 1. Find wood. After some searching, I found a place 5 kilometers away. Great, let's go and buy it. Next up, the art store. Let's grab a canvas roll and staple gun. Perfect. It's bigger than me. Materials are complete, but I'm so tired from getting all this stuff. So let's continue tomorrow. Good night. It's already morning and I'm going to start my day by building the canvas. First, we will assemble the frame by connecting the wood using these staples. I will be using a measuring tape to make sure that everything is in the right place. Time to staple the wood. I don't know why, but the sound of staples is so satisfying. The frame is done, but it's already 11 p.m. Time to sleep. Bye. It's a new day, and this time I will do the fun part, stretching the canvas over the frame. Just stretch and staple all the sides, and voila, the biggest canvas is ready. Next up, designing the character. I start with random doodles, lots of doodles, until I create a perfect reference. Then, that's the time I'm going to add some details. The design is done, and now it's time for the fun and messy part, painting. But before that, I'll apply 3 layers of gesso to the canvas.
Walking down this long day road, damn near almost lost my soul. But now that I'm in control, what they gonna do?
While waiting for the gesso to dry, I'll take a picture of my sketch, transfer it to the laptop, and set up the projector.
I won't go for anything that isn't in direction.
It's time to transfer the sketch to the canvas.
Hey ladies, I know it's getting cold out, you know, holiday season. I know them boys in your DMs, but once you come inside, I got some fire for you. Hey, I'm put together like extra efforts, it's how I'm living. And these pretenders, they so pretentious, I hope they understand I'm seeing through it. I speak it fluent, I never do it. And now the DMs, they be popping, every single time they dropping now. Bunch of boys on the gram, I swear.
Transfer is complete, and look how awesome it looks.
Talk it and I want you like you want me, baby girl, let's get it now.
Now let's prepare all the painting materials. First, we need palette and brushes, tissue and water, paint, more paints, more paints, and more paints. Everything is ready, so let's jump right into it. First, I'm going to mix some paint to color the whole skin. I use the light tone, mid tone, and dark tone for the shadow. Skin is done. Now let's paint the eyes and the hair. Look how amazing the hair turns out. Next up, painting the clothes. I really hope I don't mess this part. So far so good. Let's move on to the bag with full of fun stuff and cat.
Introspect, take a sec, watch your step, where you step, when you step, falling free.
And now let's paint the happy dog. I hope he like how he looks.
Energy never lies. Introspect, take a sec,
How beautiful
take a
these
second,
flowers.
let your world
Alright, back to the painting.
I just wanna feel right.
Now let's proceed for the scariest part. Painting the big crocs. But wait, I don't know what color to use. So I took a little break, went to my Emirati friend's house, had some barbecue, burger and carrot, played some board games which is really fun, and finally, I decided that Crocs will be green. 80% of the character is done. Now it's time for the smallest details. They may look tiny, but man, they are so challenging. So many colors to work with. I'm feeling thirsty, so let's take a quick coconut juice break. Creating this painting took so much courage and patience to do, but it's a huge accomplishment. I hope you love it as much as I do. So now, enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.